In exchange for a cryptocurrency token, you can own a digital watercolor painting of Melania Trump's eyes. The former First Lady launched a venture this week selling NFTs on non-fungible tokens on her website in exchange for a Solon token, currently valued around $180 each. Melania Trump will release NFTs in regular intervals on her website, according to a news release, with a portion of the proceeds going to foster children. It's unclear what percentage of the proceeds will be donated or whether the donations will be given to specific foster child-related charities. An email inquiry about how the donations would be structured were not answered by Melania Trump's press contact.